Welcome friends to another session of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. The past few sessions we have been learning about the various functions in Excel and a few tips and tricks to get the best out of Excel. Thanks for being with me. Please inform your colleagues, friends to subscribe so that they, you, me can all excel at work.
We'll continue the shortcut series. This time we look at the border formatting shortcuts. A border is generally used in Excel to highlight, draw attention to a particular group of cells or a single cell in Excel. So this is a sheet with what's border shortcuts in Excel at work. The Excel at work is a merged cell with B5 and C5. So here I want to draw a border among these three cells, this range of cells. I can go to here, border, and then click borders where I want bottom, top, left, right, no border, all borders, outside borders. If I click outside borders, this is what it look like. The default is a single line border. If I click all borders, this is how it look. So the shortcut key for this is select the range where you want to have border, and the shortcut key is Control Shift ampersand. So here Control Shift ampersand, and then the border is drawn. The outer border is drawn for the selected cells. So once you go inside, that is, if you want to know more borders, will take you this tab, the Format Cells Border tab, or else you can also click any tab. You can click here in this one, so the Font tab, and then click on the border cells. You get here, you can select which line you want. This you can click here to remove the top border. I'll click it here now, and then click OK, and then see here the top border is removed. So how to do this using shortcuts? Once you are in the border tab, remember these shortcuts, the following shortcuts will work only when you are in the border tab. So the shortcut for the add or remove right border is Alt R. Add remove is a toggle key basically. Alt R removes if it border is there, or inserts a border if it is not there. So easy to remember, Alt R is the right border, L is the left border, top is the T, the top border, the bottom border is B. So Alt R, Alt L, Alt T, Alt B. So here you want to say here, so if you click here, Alt R, right is removed, Alt L, left is removed, Alt T, the top is removed, Alt B, the bottom is removed. If you want to insert again, same thing, Alt R, L, T, B. So Alt left, Alt right. If you want to double line here, click on double line and then use again Alt R, or Alt, let us say Alt left. So here it replaces with a double border, so it doesn't remove it. Alt R, Alt T, Alt B. If I again click B for example, it removes it. And if I want to have a thicker line here, Alt B, I get it. If I put Alt R is replaced with the bottom, Alt L is replaced with the left, with the border, thick line and not the top. So basically what it does is, if the border is there, the toggle key removes the border. If you select another border here, the existing border replaced with the selected border. Here Alt R, T, L, B. The shortcuts. So if you want the effect actually, click on OK and then you know how the effect looks like. And then if you want to have a horizontal line in between, or interior vertical border or horizontal border, is interior lines, Alt H, Alt B. If you want to provide borders inside it, so again here, let us select the cells here, and then go to the border key, There is control 1 is a shortcut. So here, if you want to put the border key, you can use the mouse or else use the Alt H key to remove it. You select another type of line, let us say text, and then click Alt V, Alt H, then click OK. This is how it look like. The borders is with double line, the inside lines are with, the interior borders are with single line as selected here. This is fine. So once you get all these borders here, how do you remove all of them in one go? The shortcut key to insert borders is Control Shift ampersand. As you can see here, it is Control ampersand. For removing all the borders, it is Control Shift and underscore. So here, all the borders, just want to remove all the borders, remove the highlighting or drawing attention to those cells, removes all borders. Now back to square one. Fine. Now that these are the shortcuts on border.
With this, we come to end of this session of Excel at Work. Hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. Please share this with your friends, family and colleagues to help them, you and me to excel at work. Thanks for watching.